Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the lesson algebraic identities. Today we will discuss the third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So when you multiply a plus b into a minus b, you will get a squared minus b squared. Now the example 5, find the product of 9x plus 5y into 9x minus 5y by using the identity 3. So already it is given the third identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now see whether it is fitting into the third identity or not. So write the question. It is 9x plus 5y and then 9x minus 5y. That means it is first terms are same, the second term is also same, but the difference is here it is plus and the other is minus. Sometimes it might be interchange. So minus will come first, plus will come later. But first term same, second term same. Then it is third identity. Okay. So you will write a is equal to 9x and b is equal to 5y. Put it within the bracket. Now what is the identity? A squared minus b squared. So a squared, a is what? 9x the whole square minus b squared, 5y the whole square. Now 9 squared is what? 81. X squared minus 5 squared is 25, y squared. This is the answer. Hope you have understood. Now coming to the example 6, evaluate means find the value of 75 squared minus the 65 squared. It is reverse, isn't it? That is a square minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Third identity. So either this way or the reverse. It is the same. It is given in the reverse way. A squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now write a is equal to how much? 75. B is equal to how much? 65. Okay. Now a squared minus b squared is equal to a is 75 plus b 65. Now a minus b. Now add 5 plus 5, 10, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Now here we have to put multiplication sign. 75 minus 65 is 10. The answer is 14 into 10, isn't it? Write the number and 2 zeros. Answer is 1400. Is it okay? Now coming to the 7th example, 93 into 87. You have to simplify by expressing it as a difference of the two squares. How? It is a 93 can be written as 93 into 87. It is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b. First you think of bigger number. बड़ा नंबर को आप लोग a plus b में लिखो. 93 can be written as 90 plus 3 into means bracket open. 87 can be written as 90 minus 3. Yes or no? 93 को हम 90 प्लस 3 लिख सकते हैं, 87 को 90 माइनस 3। सो ये कौन सा आया, a प्लस बी इंटू a माइनस बी इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर। थर्ड आइडेंटिटी में आया। अभी लिखो a इज इक्वल टू द फर्स्ट टर्म 90, b is equal to 3. That means 90 square minus 3 square. Find the value. 9 squared is 81. 1 0, you have to put 2 0, minus 3 squared is 9. 0 minus 9 means 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 9 is remaining because we have taken, isn't it, borrowed. So now here how much it will be remaining? It is a 0. 1 को इधर लिए, so इसके लिए 0 and 8 as it is. Answer is 8091. Is it clear? So this is the third identity. So first में clear cut दिया है a plus b, a minus b. Second में numbers दिया है a squared minus b squared, the reverse way. इधर numbers दिए हैं, first find out, write it in the order of a plus b, a minus b, then simplify. So these are the examples. Now coming to the first question, worksheet 3. Worksheet 3, first question, like the first example. Just like the first example, we have to do. So first you will write the identity 3. What is identity 3? A plus b. It is in that form, isn't it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. सब वही सम्स है, ऐसे ही टाइप के, इसके लिए एक ही बार मैं लिख रही हूँ, बट इन द एग्जाम यू हैव टू राइट फॉर ईच क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू राइट विच आइडेंटिटी, द आइडेंटिटी you have to write and then solve. Okay, now this is a plus b, a minus b. So a is how much here? It is 2x. B is how much? It is 7y. Now a squared, that is how much? 2x the whole square minus b squared, that is 7y the whole square. 2 squared is 4, x squared minus 7 squared is 49, y squared. This is the answer. This type of sum is easy, isn't it? Now in the second question, a minus b, a plus b. Reverse it is given, but multiplication, you know, a plus a into b and b into a, it is same. So now a is equal to, first term is 5ab and b is equal to 8c. No need of rearranging and writing, directly you can write. It is a squared 5ab the whole square minus b 8c the whole square. Now 5 squared is 25, ab the whole square means a squared, b squared minus 8 squared is 64, then it is c square. Clear? Now coming to the third sum, 4p squared plus q squared into 4p squared minus q squared. A is equal to how much? 4p squared. B is how much? Q squared. Now a squared minus b squared. A squared 4p squared the whole squared minus b squared, that is q squared the whole squared. 4 squared is 16, p squared the whole square, multiply 2 2s are 4, p to the power 4 minus q, 2 2s are 4, that is q to the power 4. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a fraction, isn't it? So should be little bit careful. A is equal to x by 3 and b is equal to y by 2. A squared x by 3 the whole square minus b squared y by 2 the whole square. Find the numerator square and denominator square. So x squared upon 3 squared, that is 9, minus y squared upon 2 square is 4. Don't forget to put the bracket. That is the main thing. Now it is the fifth sum. It is a decimal, so should be little bit careful. It is a is equal to 0.1 m and b is equal to 0.2 n. Now a squared, that is 0.1 m the whole square minus b squared 0.2 n the whole square. 0.1 square, remember 1 square is 1, 1 decimal we have to put 2 decimal, so it is 0.01 m square minus 0.2 square, 2 square is 4, 1 decimal we have to put 2 decimal, so it will be 0.04 n square. याद आया? पहले वर्कशीट्स में भी ऐसे किए थे. सो 1 स्क्वायर इज 1, 1 डेसिमल यू हैव टू पुट 2 डेसिमल. सो इसके लिए लेफ्ट में एक 0 डालकर डेसिमल पॉइंट. 2 स्क्वायर इज 4, 1 डेसिमल प्लेस है तो 2 डेसिमल प्लेस आएगा. सो इसके लिए 4 के लेफ्ट में एक 0 डालो, डेसिमल पॉइंट डालो, फिर 0 लिखो. ठीक है? स्क्वायर्स लेसन याद रखने का. चलो, नाउ इट इज द सिक्स्थ सम. इट इज a इज इक्वल टू a क्यूब एंड b इज इक्वल टू b क्यूब. It is a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared, a cube the whole square minus b squared, b cube the whole square. Now bracket है तो एक्सपोनेंट्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने का है. a to the power 3 2s are 6, b to the power 3 2s are 6. So, hope all students understood this first sum of worksheet 3. Okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video.